What up, YouTube? It's your boy Southern Smoke Boss, back at it again. Hey, today I got a pork shoulder, about to make some pulled pork barbecue. So what I'm gonna go ahead and put on the cornels, let it sit in there overnight. I'm telling y'all, this sauce is amazing, man. You have to try it. And they get that perfect crisp and that nice golden brown color. Hey, so what I'm gonna start off first doing, I'm gonna go ahead and use the same thing I'm gonna inject it with, cause I'm gonna pull all this left over there, over top of it anyway. So check this out. I'm just gonna go in the muscles and inject a little bit. You can see how it's going through the whole thing. I think it's not took enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my bag. Ziploc bag. Nice and heavy. Man, these bags are a lifesaver. So just go ahead and pour it all over. I want to get every drop of it out. And if you can see the little seasoning I mixed up in there, you can see this is my dry rub and mixed in there. Once I pull it out here, so I'm gonna go ahead and rub some dry rub on there. Let it sit in the fridge overnight. The air out. Stay tuned. Back at it, so I know let it marinate in the cornels overnight. So I'm gonna go ahead and come on and take it out. That thing looks so pretty too. Woo. Y'all just imagine doing a whole hog in it. So I got my favorite dry rub that I make up myself. If you haven't heard about it or seen it, hey, check out the video. I got the video up on there. So what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna cover it. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip them. That skin will get that nice crisp, and I'm telling you. So I already got my fire, my grill ready. I'm gonna come over here, go ahead and put it on. I'm gonna put the skin side up, the fatty. So it's been about 3 hours. So come in here, check it out. See how that nice crust coming over there? That's the cornels sauce. We'll come back and check on it in about 2 more hours. Well, the shoulder been on there 6 hours. You start to see that bone pull back now. We're gonna go on ahead and wrap it on up. I'm gonna go ahead and spritz it down. Don't try that at home, you guys. That bad boy is hot. Look at that nice pretty. Personally, I like to wrap mine. Some people like to just cook it the whole time, not wrap. Okay, we're about to go ahead and put it on for 3 more hours. Give me some more 4 more hours. Go ahead and see what we got. Woo. Man. Whoa. Look there. That beautiful thing. Look at that. Man. That thing looks good. Woo. Wee. Hot, baby. Flexing on me. Go ahead and strip this bad boy. Man, just look how that thing's pulling apart. So I gotta take my glass off. I can't see it fall up on me. Go ahead and get that bone out of there. So I had fully pulled my shoulder. I had to go off for a minute. My glass, I got fogged up on me. I'm adding some Charlie Mills barbecue sauce. Thanks for tuning in to this video. Make sure you comment, like. If you ain't already smashed that subscribe button, go ahead and smash it so you get the notifications. Today's post notifications go to Jess, Tasha, and Adam. Them lives be live, man. Too lit. Can't wait for the next one. Peace out.